Welcome to my channel where we talk about personal finance, investments, and building wealth. In today's video, we will discuss some of the best passive income ideas that can help you build wealth without doing active work. Passive income is an excellent way to earn extra cash flow that can help you achieve financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Rental properties. Rental properties are one of the most popular passive income ideas. You can buy a property, rent it out, and earn rental income. It requires some initial investment, but the long-term return on investment can be significant. However, you need to make sure that the rental income is higher than the expenses, including the mortgage, insurance, property taxes, and maintenance costs. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are another excellent source of passive income. You can invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn a regular income in the form of dividends. However, you need to be careful while selecting stocks and choose companies with a good track record of paying dividends consistently. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a type of lending where individuals lend money to other individuals without the involvement of financial institutions. It can be an excellent source of passive income as you can earn interest on your investment. However, it also comes with some risks, and you need to do your research before investing. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is another excellent passive income idea. You can invest in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms and earn a regular income in the form of interest payments or rental income. However, it also comes with some risks, and you need to choose the platform carefully and do your research before investing. 5. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts can be an excellent source of passive income. You can earn a higher interest rate on your savings than a regular savings account. However, the interest rate is subject to change, and you need to keep an eye on the market conditions. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. It can be an excellent source of passive income if you have a large following on social media or a website. However, it requires some effort and time to build an audience and promote products. 7. Digital products. Digital products, such as e-books, online courses, and software, can be an excellent source of passive income. You can create a digital product once and sell it multiple times. However, you need to make sure that the product is of high quality and meets the needs of your target audience. 8. Royalties. Royalties are a type of passive income that you earn by licensing your intellectual property, such as music, art, or books. You can earn a royalty every time your work is used or sold. However, you need to create high-quality work that people want to use or buy. 9. Network marketing. Network marketing is a type of business where you earn a commission by selling products to people and recruiting them to become distributors. It can be an excellent source of passive income if you have a large network of people who are interested in the products. 10. YouTube. YouTube can be an excellent source of passive income if you have a successful channel. You can earn money from advertisements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. However, it requires some effort and time to build a successful channel and attract a large audience. In conclusion, generating passive income is one of the smartest ways to build long-term wealth without active work. With the ideas we have shared today, you can start generating passive income streams that work for you around the clock. Keep in mind that building passive income takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. With patience, persistence, and dedication, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So that's it for today's video on passive income ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know which idea you found most interesting. Also, Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and wealth building. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.